Hi there, this is Akshay Soni. You are watching Tech Convo, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about types of blockchain developers and their roles and responsibilities. So before starting this video, if any of you guys haven't watched the first introduction video of blockchain, please go and watch this first video of this blockchain tutorial series, so you'll get a better idea. So let's start with this video. So there are two types of blockchain developers. First is core blockchain developers, and second, blockchain software developers. So let's know more about it in detail. Core blockchain developers. So what are their roles and responsibility and what exactly they do? So let's first read this definition and then I'll explain you in detail what they do. Core blockchain developers are mostly responsible for developing architecture of the blockchain system, how its protocol should be designed, the design of the consensus protocol and other high-level decisions, and development related to blockchain technology. Blockchain software developers, on the other hand, use the architecture protocol designs developed by blockchain developers to build a decentralized application that runs on the blockchain technology. So as the definition says, core blockchain developers are more related to the network side. They build an architecture on the network system. They create a security protocols that how the protocol should be there on the network, and then they designed an architecture for the on which the blockchain technology they creates a architecture on which the front end of the blockchain software will be hosted and in backend how it will work. So this is what blockchain core developers do. In short, they are more related to network architecture. The way we say is DevOps engineer, so they are more like that. Role of core blockchain developers: creating the architecture of the system, creating the protocols on which the blockchain application will work, creating the design of the system, and supervising the network related to the security and the consensus. Now let's see what is blockchain software developers and what they do. It is much like a normal web developer uses the protocol and design structure set up by core web architect to build the web apps. Blockchain software developers build decentralized application or dApps using the blockchain technology. So the architecture or the server system that are designed by the core blockchain developers in the backend, they are used by front-end developers or the blockchain software developers. So as the definition says, the blockchain software developers are more likely the web developers who designs the system, designs the front end and back end for the system, and deploy that system on the architecture or the server which are created by the blockchain code developers. Let's see the roles and responsibilities for blockchain software developers: creating the front end, creating the smart contract, and creating the backend development. So in short, a full stack developer with creating the smart contract functionality. So blockchain software developers are more likely a front end or web developers. In addition, with creating the smart contract uh, in for the blockchain technology. So that's it from this video, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.